Hello guys, today we talk about Kinemaster and I'm showing you step by step how to use Kinemaster properly, and anything you want you can edit guys too much easily and too much simple step. As you see, I'm already start this, I'm added this thing guys already in Dawn of Titan. This is a game, and I'm just using thumbnail guys like this. If you also want you can do guys, just simply you don't need do anything guys. As you see, you just need layer. I'm showing you in blank, and first we start. If you want to create video for YouTube, then just click here guys, and step by step, as you see here, you have layer also. First we need pick one. I mean, as you see guys, I'm showing you, you need picks just one picture. And let's see, I'm showing you, this is one of the best thing, and just simply you can do guys. As you see this one, and you can next this little bit more, explore this guys. And this is one of the best thing guys. And layer, as you layer, if you're using according to layer guys, effect also you can use here and get more here. A lot of things you got here in Kinemaster. Also blur effect you got. If you want more, just do like this, and you don't need to like this. Agree and continue. Then let's see guys, here a lot of effect you see here in Kinemaster. And if you want download Kinemaster, just go in my description, and there you see link guys, download from that link. And this is really good if you download this from the link. And a lot of people have this without mostly using this with like watermark, but without watermark. If you using guys, then this is nice. And as you see guys, here record it. If you want to record also, go effect songs, anything you want to upload. As you see, I'm uploading this song guys. First this open and plus like this is an easy step, easy and simple step guys. And if you want download this Kinemaster without watermark Kinemaster guys, I'm showing you. Let's see, like this you can explore guys. Even 140 1440p 1080p and 1440p, like this you can explore guys. 70p starting this, so this is really nice. And like this easy you export guys properly. This is all about this video guys. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe YouTube channel also, and check in description link in this Kinemaster.